You won't believe how many people apply for premium credit cards without knowing what they are actually paying for. The National Bank Platinum Mastercard looks impressive, but the real value depends on how you use it. This card is designed for users who want rewards, travel perks, and extra protection. One of its main features is reward points on everyday spending like groceries, gas, and online purchases. These points can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. Another major benefit is travel insurance. The card often includes coverage for trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and rental car insurance. For frequent travelers, this can save hundreds of dollars per year. The card also offers extended warranties and purchase protection. That means if something you buy gets damaged or stolen, you may be covered. Most people get this wrong by ignoring these benefits, even though they are some of the most valuable features. The downside is the annual fee. This is not a free card. If you don't use the rewards or travel perks, the cost may outweigh the benefits. Also, approval usually requires good credit. Interest rates are standard for premium cards, so carrying a balance is expensive. This card works best if you pay your balance in full every month. In conclusion, the National Bank Platinum Mastercard is a strong choice for disciplined spenders who want rewards and protection. But if you're not using the perks, you're paying for features you don't need. Subscribe for more credit card reviews so you can avoid costly financial mistakes.